everyone, this is I'm like 24, and today we're gonna be doing a 34 or 33 pack opening, and don't forget to stay tuned to the end for that giveaway that I was talking about yesterday. All right, so let's get to the pack opening, and today I'm looking for uh, I'm looking for a mirror wall because I don't have one yet. This loads, so a mirror wall, and I'm actually looking for two of these. Hopefully, I pull them, and that's for a deck I'm thinking about. I'll If I do pull them, I'll have the deck profile tomorrow. If not, whenever I do get the two regretful rebirth, I'll show you the deck. All right, and maybe a Jerry Beansman. I wouldn't mind two of those. And if you've seen my Rex Raptor video, I'm using double custom because that's the biggest beat stick I currently have. So let's get to the opening and hopefully we'll pull some of those. Alright, here's the first pack, and right off the bat, we're gonna get a super rare. Hopefully one of those regretful rebirths. No, it's gonna be a spell. What is it? Ritual weapon. That's a rare. I think I already have like two or three of those. So I don't really care for it. I wonder if they changed the animation on the super rare, because most of the time when that gold animation came out, it was a super rare. Magical merchant. Oh, a Jin. I actually wanted this for the relinquish deck with Mice Harpy Ladies. It's really good, and it's a deck that you most of the time see in high platinum, so that's good. Or maybe we'll pull a what is it, a Manju? Ritual Grace, Becking Light. Have a ton of those. Don't need that. Lycanthrope. No, it's okay. Gandalf. Nothing good yet. Come on, I need two of those trap cards. I need two regretful rebirths. Another Becking Light. Scanner. Discountable. Destroy any monster that inflicts battle damage. So put life in protect. No. Don't care for that. I'm gonna Manju, Regretful Rebirth, Mirror Wall, something good. Element Source. It's okay. I already have a ton of those though. Doriata. Don't care about that. Another Saurus. That was it. Alright, let's open another 10. Hopefully we pull something good. So out of this one, what do we do? We pull the Jin. That was the only good card out of that. Alright, let's open another 10 and hopefully we'll get something else, something better. Alright, come on. Let's go. A Mirror Wall or some Regretful Rebirths. I already have one rebirth, I need two more. Shadow Slayer. Here, the Spring. Violent Charger. Alpha Supply monsters you control gain 300 attack for each equip card. Equip this card. No, don't care about that. Micro Ray. Dragon Seeker. It's not that good. Another Shadow Slayer. Looks like we're not gonna pull anything for this 10. Machine King. Don't care for that. We have a ton of them though. Oh, we have this lettering, so hopefully an ultra rare. Maybe a Mirror Wall. Hopefully a Mirror Wall. Or a Jin would be good too. No, not a Jin, but the Manju. Yeah, it was wasn't anything. Yeah, I think they changed the animation on him. Before you could tell what was in the pack with the animation they had on there. Now you really can't. Alright, so we didn't pull anything from that. Alright, so let's open the 10 packs and hopefully we pull something good. Mm, Alright, so let's see if this is gonna be anything good. Carol, no, nothing good yet. Alright, so it has those letterings and it has the rainbow things. Let's see. Let me take a snapshot. Alright, we have that. Let's open it. Now we got a ritual. Is it a paladin? Gandalf, King of Destruction. This is actually my second one. So if we pull one of those Sonic Birds from the other pack, we'll hopefully try to make a deck around this guy. No, nothing good. Ray of Hope, Micro Ray, Sprite's Blessing. This card's actually okay when you're using the Paladin deck. Ancient Dragon. Actually, a Dweller wouldn't be that bad. Can we pull one? Dragon Seeker. I think that Ritual Monster is the only good thing we're gonna pull from this 30 packs. Oh, and the Jin. And that's about it. Release Restraint Wave. Alright, so from this 10 packs, all we really pulled was that Ultra. This guy. This actually, I've played against a high platinum rank that was playing pure Golundov, and it's good, but it's not as good as the water deck. The water deck just destroys everything, and this one just destroys monsters. But I mean, it's okay if you use a Jin with it. Other than that, I mean, it is what it is. Alright, that's it for the 30 packs. And we still need those regretful rebirths. Oh, we did get 200 gems. So let's use that for the try to get the Sonic Bird. Rising. And we've opened a ton of these packs and still haven't been able to pull a Sonic Bird. Alright, so open 4 packs. And it looks like we're not gonna pull anything either. Curse of Aging. I think this is the last pack. Yeah, nothing. Actually, I might try to make that Karate Man OTK, and this is one of the cards you need for it. And a Dream Count, we already have the 3 that we need. Alright, so nothing from there. Okay, so to enter for a chance to win one of the $10 gift cards, what you have to do is simply like the video, comment on it, and subscribe. And I know that most of the Google Play cards are only available in the U.S. So if you're in another country, I'm not sure what I'll have to do, but I will try to get you one. And if that's not an option, I can go ahead and always send a money order or something so you can get it yourself. All right, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.